Everyone thinks the best-selling laminate floor cleaner is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Shark Steam Spot. First up is the Shark Steam Spot Steam Mop. Priced at $129, it caught my eye with its steam blaster technology and 3 steam modes. If you want powerful cleaning and sanitization without chemicals, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The steam blaster technology allows you to tackle stubborn stains with a targeted burst of steam, making it a lifesaver for those tough messes. The removable water tank holds 500 ml, meaning fewer refills while cleaning. With 4,000 plus recent purchases and a 4.4-star rating from 1,000 reviews, people clearly trust this product. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it's a bit cumbersome to maneuver in tight spaces. Here's the thing though, while it's true that at under 5 pounds, it's not the lightest option, the steam power it delivers really compensates for that weight. This is perfect for you if you have a mix of hard floors and tough stains. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight, but know it delivers great cleaning power for your laminate floors. Product number 2, Scrub Whiz Steam Mop. Next up is the Scrub Whiz Steam Mop with detachable handheld cleaner, priced at $64.99. I was drawn in by its quick 10-second heat-up time and the promise of 10-in-1 versatility. If you're looking for a multifunctional cleaner, you might want to check this one out. This is a big deal if you have kids or pets. The 350 ml water tank allows for longer cleaning sessions. And with its 10 included accessories, you can switch from mopping floors to cleaning your barbecue grill or windows in no time. With a 4.1-star rating and around 2,900 reviews, it's clear buyers appreciate its versatility. Now, some users mentioned that the attachments can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, while I get that concern, for the price and versatility, it's a solid trade-off for those who need a multi-purpose cleaner. This is perfect for you if you want a mop that does more than just clean floors. Skip this if you're only looking for a basic floor cleaner and nothing else. Product number 3, MEXCRRIS Spray Mop. Coming in at a budget-friendly $23.99 is the MEXCRRIS Spray Mop. It caught my attention with its simplicity and the inclusion of 5 washable pads. If you're looking for an economical yet effective cleaning solution, this is worth considering. The mop's 360-degree swivel head lets you navigate tight corners and furniture easily, which can be a game-changer for daily cleaning. With a whopping 51,700 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear people love this mop's efficiency. Now, some users reported that the spray mechanism can sometimes clog. But honestly, just cleaning it out regularly solves that issue, making it a minor setback for such an affordable option. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use, budget-friendly mop for everyday cleaning. Skip this if you need something heavy-duty for large messes. Product number 4, Shark S1000 Steam Mop. Next, we have another Shark product, the S1000 Steam Mop, priced at $59.99. I was really impressed by its lightweight design and quick steam time. If you're after something that gets the job done without hassle, this one's worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It heats up in just 30 seconds, which is perfect for those quick cleanups. The removable water tank makes refills quick and easy, and it's designed for all sealed hard floors, including laminate. With over 19,300 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's proven to be a dependable choice. Now, some people did mention that the steam output can feel weak on heavily soiled floors. But honestly, I found that as long as you let it sit on tough spots for a moment, it works just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, effective steam mop. Skip this if you're dealing with really tough, dried-on stains regularly. Product number 5, Bona Spray Mop. Lastly, let's talk about the Bona Multi-Surface Spray Mop, which is $41.97. I love that it comes with its own floor cleaner concentrate and a machine-washable pad. If you want a straightforward cleaning solution that's also eco-friendly, this is definitely worth your time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The cleaner is pH neutral, which protects your floor from discoloration, and it dries quickly so you won't have to wait long before walking on your freshly cleaned floors. It's designed for multiple types of hard surfaces, making it versatile. With 1,500 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, this mop is clearly appreciated by many. Now, some users noted that the mop pads could be larger. But here's the thing, while a larger pad might cover more ground, the current size is manageable for most homes. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and environmentally friendly cleaning solution. Skip it if you prefer a mop that comes with more accessories. So to recap, the Shark Steam Spot is powerful and effective, the Scrub Wiz offers versatility, the MEXCRRIS is budget-friendly, the Shark S1000 is lightweight, and the Bona Spray Mop is eco-conscious. Each of these has unique features that cater to different needs, so think about what's most important for your home before making a decision.